If you need to rotate an image in LibreOffice Impress, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you're building a presentation for school, work, or a client, rotating an image can help you improve layout, fit your design better, and make your slides look more polished. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, look at the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation if you want to start a new slideshow. If you already have a presentation that contains the image you want to edit, just open that file instead. This works the same way whether you are starting fresh or editing an existing presentation. Now, once your presentation is open, go to the slide that contains the image you want to rotate. Click directly on the image so it becomes selected. You should see selection handles around the picture, which tells you that the image is active and ready to edit. This step is important because the rotation controls only appear after the image is selected. After selecting the image, look at the top toolbar and find the rotate icon. Click that icon to switch the image into rotation mode. When rotation mode is active, the image will show rotation handles instead of the normal resize handles. This means you can now adjust the angle of the picture freely. Next, click and drag the rotation handles around the image. As you move your mouse, the picture will begin to tilt and rotate. You can rotate it a little for a small adjustment or keep dragging until it reaches the exact angle you want. If the image needs to be perfectly straight, take your time and adjust it carefully. If you want a more creative layout, you can rotate it at a custom angle to match the rest of your slide design. Once you're happy with the angle, release the mouse to apply the rotation. The image will stay in the new position and you can continue editing the rest of your presentation. You can also move the image around after rotating it if needed, so it fits your slide content better. If you ever want to make another adjustment, simply click the image again and repeat the same process. Select it, click the rotate icon, and drag the handles until it looks right. It's a very simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how professional your presentation looks. So, to quickly recap, open LibreOffice, open or create your Impress presentation, select the image, click the rotate icon on the top toolbar and drag the rotation handles until the image is at the angle you want. That's all it takes. If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.